Every one of you may have heard about what is ETL, but not everyone knows what actually it means. So today on my first video of YouTube Shorts, I'll be explaining what actually ETL means. So let's get started. Well, ETL is a type of data integration process referring to three distinct but interrelated steps, that is extract, transform and load, and is used to synthesize data from multiple sources many times to build a data warehouse or data hub. ETL process collects and refines the different types of data, then delivers the data to a data warehouse such as Redshift, Azure, or BigQuery. ETL also makes it possible to migrate data between a variety of sources, destinations, and analysis tools. As a result, the ETL process plays a critical role in producing business intelligence and executing broader data management strategies. Now let's quickly know, why do we need ETL? It is essential to properly format and prepare data in order to load it in data storage system of your choice. The triple combination of ETL provides crucial functions that are many times combined into a single application or suite of tools that help in the following areas, such as it offers deep historical context of a business, enhances business intelligence solutions for decision making, enables content and data aggregation so that business can generate higher revenues or save money. It enables a common data repository, and it also helps to improve productivity as it codifies and reuses without additional technical skills. Lastly, the basic ETL process can be categorized into below stages, such as data extraction, data cleaning, transformation, and loading the data. Isn't it amazing?